What do you get when you take a Game 7, two teams who absolutely hate losing, and enough adrenaline to power an entire stadium? You get pure baseball madness. And the Dodgers and Blue Jays gave us every reason to lose our voices screaming at the screen. From the first crack of the bat, the tension was ridiculous, and you could feel the whole world watching as deep center field suddenly became the most dangerous place on the planet. Fly ball launched, Edman sprinting back like his life depended on it, but the ball just kept going. A monster 3-run home run, the kind that immediately makes you go, oh, this is gonna be one of those nights. But baseball is never just baseball in October. It's pride, payback, and grudges held tight. Trying to hurt your old team in the biggest moment of all? That's a storyline straight from Hollywood. A laser to center and Verso lays out with full superhero commitment. He hits the ground and somehow comes up with the ball securely in his glove while Smith jets home to score. Slides in, crowd explodes. World Series energy fully activated. And just when you think things might cool down even for a second, Andre Jimenez, a dude from the 9-hole, decides he is done being quiet. He gets drilled. The look on his face says everything. Throw it over the plate, man. Stop being scared. And then suddenly benches are clearing and players are yelling and the ump is just trying to keep everyone from throwing punches in the biggest game of the baseball universe. Game 7 tension ain't for the weak, and everyone was feeling it. Next thing you know, Edman skies one to center field. Boro tracks it down. Here comes Betts sprinting like his career depends on those last few steps. The throw home sails way offline and boom, 1-run game. 7 innings in and every fan's blood pressure is officially unhealthy. But the Blue Jays refuse to back down. Jimenez again. You'd think he's the MVP at this point, blasting another shot into right center. Hernandez chases, but nope, not today, and now it's 4-2 Blue Jays. From the bottom of the lineup, like the baseball gods were trying to prove they love chaos more than anything. Then just when Toronto fans start getting comfortable, the Dodgers get that little spark. A chopper to first, they turn the double, crowd yelling like they just won the lottery. And then one swing flips the world upside down again because here comes Max Muncy. 1 ball, 1 perfect swing, gone. Deep, towering, and absolutely angry. He's not just hitting a baseball, he's sending a message. Dodgers back within 1 and suddenly the stadium is vibrating like it's alive. But hold on, it's not just a power show. Miguel Rojas, quiet all postseason, just waiting, and he picks the biggest moment to detonate. A slider hanging in the air like it's mocking the pitcher, and Rojas smashes it. Left field, deep, gone. Toronto fans staring in disbelief while the Dodgers go wild because Rojas, of all people, just tied Game 7 in the 9th inning. How do you even script that? Then chaos again. A fly ball to left, Hernandez sprinting, pass collides with him like a wrecking ball. Bodies everywhere, but somehow the catch is made, and this game refuses to end normal. Baseball humor, oh, you thought you could breathe? No breathing in Game 7. Smith steps in next. Calm, focused, dangerous. He crushes a high fly that just keeps traveling. Left fielders run back, but it's too late. The ball says bye-bye and leaves the stadium like it had better places to be. Will Smith hits the kind of home run that becomes a legend instantly. Dodgers take the lead. Dugout in full explosion. You can almost feel the Blue Jays' heartbreak from across the ocean. Final moment. Toronto trying to rally. Kirk bounces one up the middle. Betts takes it like he's been waiting his whole life for that exact ball. Foot on the bag, throw to first, double play. Game over. Series over. Toronto stunned. Los Angeles celebrating like they own baseball now. Because guess what? They do. Back-to-back World Series champions. The champ stands tall because that's what kings do. No one is forgetting this night. The swings, the arguments, the collisions, the comebacks, the heroes no one saw coming. This wasn't baseball. This was a full-blown cinematic masterpiece where every pitch could have changed a legacy. If you didn't think baseball was the greatest sport alive, tonight you might finally believe. So if you rode through every wild inning with your heart punching your chest and your voice probably gone right now, hit that like button, drop a comment on who your Game 7 MVP is, and make sure you subscribe because this channel is where real fans come to relive the moments that make sports unforgettable. Dodgers are champions again, the drama isn't moving, and baseball just gave us another story we can brag about forever.